So, good day, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what we are going to be expecting for the week on our AUDUSD. So, before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the week, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on the updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, before we predict right, we need to know what the trend is. For you to be able to understand what the trend is, you need to go to your higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame. First, we are going to follow these two rules of trading. The first rule of trading says, know your trend. Second rule of trading says, trade with the trend. Now, what can you say your trend is on your AUDUSD? This is it clearly. Our AUDUSD is in an uptrend move. We are very much in an uptrend move. Now, take a look at this movement right here, guys. This is the impulsive move that market did give us. This is a pullback. Market was able to push up again to give us another impulsive move. Here comes the pullback, right? Market then did push up again to form a new impulsive move. Here is the pullback right here. The market was able to give us this massive movement to form another impulsive move that took out this previous high, right? Now here is the pullback right here, guys. So this is the pullback, right? Market eventually did give us another impulsive move that took out this previous high, and this is the pullback currently playing out right here. So the pullback on AUDUSD is currently playing out here. So that is to tell you that this week, right, we should be anticipating for another impulsive move. That means we should be expecting AUDUSD to give us a new bullish move that will form a new high. So this is one of the reasons why you should be looking to go in for the buy. If you are not yet in the buy, you should be looking to go in for the buy on for the week on your AUDUSD. Now, take a look at this movement right here. If you have to go down to a daily time frame, this is the daily time frame right here. First, market is dropping. So we would want it to drop, see it is able to hit a level of confluence before we see it push up. So we would want market to come to hit our confluence zone before it eventually push up. So this is the movement right here, guys. So market is literally ranging within this zone, right? Market is literally ranging within this zone before market eventually broke out of it, which you can see as a false breakout. If you want to see that way, the market is now dropping back to the support level. Now that market has dropped and tapped the support level, guess what we should be expecting? We should expect market to reject from this support level and bounce up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our AUDUSD. So we should be targeting a buy around the support zone. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. This is to tell you that market is giving a series of lower low. Here comes the lower high right here. Market has now dropped to form another equal low, right? So we would expect it to drop more till it is able to take out this low completely, thereby giving us a new lower low. So expect AUDUSD to drop to tap this our support level. Once it taps this our support level, then you can now look for a buy setup right here. Remember, look for your buy setup on your support level. Once market hits the support level and gives you the buy setup, then you can now go ahead to take the buy. Above all, a bullish move is what you should be expecting on AUDUSD. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I did the update and let you guys to know. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments. And also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.